Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I'm doing something a little different today and we are going to go over my tips and tricks if you are thinking about heading to Universal Studios on vacation. So here are a couple of ways that you can save both money and time when you get to the parks. So my first tip and trick for you to help both save money and save time is going to be grab one of those refillable cups. So when you head into the park for the first day, you want to grab a refillable cup that is regularly priced $16.99. Now just think about that. If you're going to purchase drinks all day long, you're going to spend at least that much by getting one that's not refillable. And this one, you also get a souvenir cup to take home. Now, if you're going to be in the parks for multiple days, it does not last for those multiple days. That's the unfortunate part. However, once you purchase it, you can then reload that same cup for just $10 the very next day. And it's great. You can stop at refill stations and fill up your cup. You can go to food stands and fill up your cup. And you can also head into any of the restaurants and you can use your refillable cup. And a huge bonus that really helped my family out in the really hot heat of August when we went on our last vacation is that you can actually refill it with ices. So this is a great treat. Normally I would tell my kids no to ices because it would be an extra expense, but no way. When it was so hot, we were getting ices constantly and really enjoying them. Another option for a refillable treat is to grab one of these refillable popcorn buckets for $11.29. After that first purchase, all of your refills are just $2. If you and your family enjoy the wizarding world of Harry Potter, you know that there's something special about having a wand when you're there. Now, my older daughter, she saved up money, did chores, and purchased a wand at Ollivander's and went through the wand ceremony and everything. It was a really fun, great experience. However, my little one that's only 4 years old has never seen a Harry Potter movie, nor has she ever even read a book of Harry Potter. She wanted a wand too to be like her big sister. So something that I did that saved a ton of money is I found really cheap plastic little wands. I actually found them at Walmart. It was a party pack of wands for 97 cents. I took all of them with me so that if we lost one in the process, we would still have plenty more. She felt just as special as her sister and it didn't cost me any extra money. So my recommendation is make sure if you're not wanting to spend $100 on a wand that you come prepared with your own. So my third tip to save some money is to order off the kids menu. Guys, you can save a ton of money. The portion size of a kids meal is as big as what should be an adult's meal, and the adults meals are huge. So what we did as a family is we stopped by and grabbed a grilled cheese and fries, and it even comes with a drink for just $5. I also grabbed a breakfast combo one morning for only $6, and that included scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage, a potato, and of course a drink came with it. $6 for a whole meal, guys, is not unreasonable at Universal Studios. So if you are hungry and you could either split a large adult size meal or grab a kids meal for tons of food and an extra treat.
We're getting ready to go on Velocicoaster, and we're in the single rider line. It's a 45-minute wait for regular line. We're going to see if it's faster. So we got on about 10:35 into line. We'll see what time we get done. What do you think?
I'll take it from here.
Faster or slower?
Let's get you ready to enter the paddock with real
I think that's right. Not committing. Hey, so we just finished Velocicoaster. We were actually on and off within 30 minutes. So that's really awesome. About 25 minutes to get on compared to the 45-minute wait we were supposed to have. And so now we're going to go enjoy more of our day. Right, Gabby?
Yep.
Let's go.
Velocicoaster.
We're waiting here at Child Swap.
Yeah, and I'm not going to do it.
I know. You're too too little.
Another great tip for you if you have a small one in your party is to take advantage of Child Swap at Universal Studios. Simply, when you get to the beginning of the line, let them know that you have a child that is too small to ride that ride. They will give you a ticket. Once you have that ticket, one parent will take the children that can ride the ride through the line and then go on the ride. When they're finished, they'll meet you at the end of the ride, and you can then take the children that can ride the ride and go through and do the same thing. Only thing is, you don't have to wait in line. You skip the line, you go straight to ride the ride. Both parents get to ride the ride, and the kids that can ride the ride can go twice. Next and final tip is stay on site. So Universal Studios has some value resorts like Dockside Inn or Surfside Inn. These are great. We stayed at Dockside Inn the last time we were at Universal Studios. We had a suite. It was wonderful. We had 2 beds for the kids to split and 1 bedroom for my husband and I that we did not have to see our kids all the time. We got a little space to ourselves. It had a nice big bathroom as well as a small little kitchenette area. It was wonderful. We saved a ton of money on food as well because we brought our own and we had our own little refrigerator, microwave, all of those great things. So we were able to eat some of our breakfast in the room as well as brought stuff to make sandwiches for lunch and dinner and those types of things. So we didn't have to rely on eating out for every single meal. The place is absolutely gorgeous. It's fairly new. It's only built within the last few years, and it has a wonderful pool with sand and everything. It was just absolutely amazing. One of my favorite things about Universal Studios is how affordable the housing is. And on top of it, when you stay on site, you get access to go either in early to Universal Studios or afterwards, depending on what they offer for that particular day. And you have full access to the transportation. So if you fly down, you don't have to worry about renting a car, or if you drive down, you don't have to worry about paying for parking all the time. You can just simply go to the parks whenever you feel like it using their transportation.